Hello and welcome to the channel. On this channel we will be building a Leatherman collection from absolute scratch. So this is my first video and we will start our collection with the Leatherman Mr. Crunch from the Leatherman Garage. So what is the Leatherman Garage? It's sort of the kind of innovation lab that the Leatherman engineer uses, and they're going to release some prototypes and test new ideas. So to offset the low production tryouts cost, those prototypes will cost some more. This one is not a serial run and only 500 of those made, so it's rare. So let's take a look. Overall, nice presentation box. Inside we have instruction manual like this, a sticker, nice sheath with the golden lettering, made in the USA, and the tool itself. So the tool itself has Mr. Crunch on it, and on the other side we have the serial number. We have a free P4 pocket clip, and let's open it up. So the main thing here is that the plier heads are removable and very cool. We can open them like this. Right. And put them inside, and now we have just a regular plier. And of course we can put them back together like this. Let's close it up. What we have here is a knife, regular P4 knife. A chisel, Phillips screwdriver, package opener like this, pry tool, and on the other side we have eyeglass bit, can and bottle opener, oval with a screwdriver, another screwdriver, the ruler, a file, and the scissors, same as on the 3P series. So overall, a really nice tool. Now, one point to make is that garage tools are not perfect. Let's take a look on this one. You can see some scuffs, some marks on them. It's because those tools aren't coming from the factory. They are coming more from that garage center. So expect to find some imperfection on the tools. Maybe I'll zoom it here. Yeah, some marks clearly be seen. Well, overall this will be a nice addition for the collection, for the start of the collection. That's it for today. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel. More unique and rare Leatherman tools will come soon. Thank you.